This is Roy Nakor from J. Joseph Salon and Spa, and this is how to style long, rounded bangs. So what you want to start with is separating the bangs from the rest of the hair. Then you want to use a volumizing mousse. Then blow dry them with a round brush going up. The illusion of the volume in the bangs is going to give you a little more roundness. I also realize some of you have a strong cowlick in the front, and it sometimes separates those bangs and it makes it hard to make them nice and full and rounded. What you want to do, use a paddle brush and with the blow dryer kind of go on the roots and almost kill that cowlick, going back and forth until you dry the roots. What happens is the cowlick gets smoothed down and you can start with a round brush and blow dry it going upwards. Again, the volume is going to give you more of a roundness. As soon as that is done, what you want to do is just grab the ends of those bangs and a little bit only on the ends without going close to the roots because you want to keep the volume. Kind of smooth those ends out. It's going to give you more of a nice, beautiful, rounded, tamed kind of look. This is Roy Nakor from J. Joseph Salon and Spa, and this is about how to style round, long bangs.